bleh. So today for this video, we're going to be doing a holiday look. To me, blue and white are really pretty for the holidays because you think about, I don't know, for some reason, maybe it's the Frozen theme, I don't know. But regardless, that's... Seriously, I'm recording! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Alex, and this is a holiday video. I figured I would just go ahead and get it out here just in time for the holidays because I'm sure some of you guys are thinking, oh my gosh, I need a holiday look, like you're going to a holiday party, you're going with friends and family, and you just haven't got it ready yet. So if that's you, then stay tuned. So besides getting interrupted, I forgot what I was saying, but regardless, we're gonna go ahead and do a holiday look. So I just wanted to get this out here before the holidays. I know I'm super late. I'm really sorry, guys. I had a loss in our family, so I've been really just not able to do anything, honestly. I'm still like having trouble coping, so sorry about not all the uploads, but we'll go ahead and get started here. So a lot of people recommend the tape method, so I have tape our hand just to make it less sticky. So I guess this is what happens when you buy tape from the dollar store. Oh goodness sakes, everything's just falling apart right now. We're gonna go ahead and take them off. Note, some of your skin will come off. That's just kind of gross, but apparently we're gonna put that here. Now that the stickiness is off. Okay, so that's one. Oh, more skin. That's just lovely. You do your primer, your concealer, and your foundation now. Since I'm just doing a quick video, I'm not doing that. I'm going to be using Bret Rock with the ColourPop Wet Palette. It's so sparkly. And the box is really nice. I'm actually going to be doing a review of this palette because I'm not going to be using all the colors today. But I will give you guys just a little sneak peek of what's inside. I'm actually really happy with this palette. So today for this look, just because I want to do a really nice, I guess, smoky-ish look, I'm going to be taking this blending brush. This is from Wet n Wild. I'm going to be going in this dark shade, which is Mood. Got a lot of pigment. There is a little bit of fallout, but I'm gonna go, like I said, I'm gonna be doing a testing video, so if you really want to see this palette, just wait till then. Ooh, looks like we got hit in the face with something really hard. But, you know, that tape a little bit snagged my brush, so we're gonna just go ahead and... A little bit goes a long way, y'all. I did not know that. I have to go up a little bit more. And it's Christmas. Let's be a little festive. Come on. Alright, so now that we have this really dark color here, I want to go ahead and go in with, I'm Chillin'. And we're just going to dust this on the outer parts. I'm using, again, this Wet n Wild brush. And again, we don't want to go too crazy. Sorry, I'm using the mirror behind me, so it's a little weird, sorry. Then I'm gonna go within LOL, I'm Crying. That's more of like a teal color, I guess. Why are we doing this? I don't even know. So what are you guys planning for Christmas? Do you guys celebrate Christmas? I know not everyone watching this video may or may not, I don't know. So basically, it looks like our eye color is kind of like just blue. It's kind of blah. So we want to give it a little bit of something different. So we're going to go in with Thickens. This is like a gray silver, I guess, metallic silver color. So we're going to go ahead and just pop that in the middle. Give it, ooh, that is pretty. Let's do a light coat over the lid. Go ahead and blend it in thoroughly. There shouldn't be much pigment left on the brush. Actually, I'm just going to brush that off really quick. Hey, you remember it was pink? Now it's blue. Cute. We're just going to go ahead and quickly fill this in. I'm just going to pass over this part because you guys have seen this brow product probably so many times on this channel. Probably because it's the only brow product I really have right now. Wait, let me tell you. And it blends really, really nicely. Just don't do too much. Go ahead and use blush. We're doing like the Amuse. I just kind of want to give like the basis of what we're doing here. Makeup Revolution. This is the Triple Baked Highlighter. I am going to go ahead and just show you guys what it looks like before. Ooh. I'm going to just go ahead and apply that right under the tape with my fingers. We're going to go ahead and use this e.l.f. I really like this. This is the Mulberry Mauvin. These are really awesome. They give you a lot of pigment too. I know I said I wasn't going to do an eyeliner, but I'm going to go ahead and use this NYX pot, and we're going to try to do eyeliner and remove the tape. Two clean edges and tape full of eyeliner. Okay guys, I just added a little bit of inner corner, but this is the finished look. As you can see, the eyeshadow, man, that tape really worked and it looks really awesome. So with this look, you have the blue, you have the silver, you have the lips, you have the blushes, you have your highlighter, and I just think it's a really cute look. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and the more makeup skills I get, the more I'm going to share it with you guys. So I will see you guys next time. Bye!